China has witnessed green and low-carbon tomb sweeping activities at this year's Qingming Festival holiday. The Qingming Festival, or Tomb Sweeping Day, which falls on Tuesday this year, is a traditional Chinese holiday for people to pay tribute to the dead and worship ancestors. Agencies in charge of funeral services have provided online tribute-paying services by creating mourning websites and other commemorative platforms on the internet. According to data from the Ministry of Civil Affairs, on Sunday, the first day of the three-day Qingming Festival holiday, 6.95 million Chinese attended virtual memorial ceremonies on 2,304 online platforms, growing by 275.7% from a year earlier.
今年清明，我们采取云祭扫方式，我们想通过这种更安全、更文明的形式来表达我们对革命先辈的缅怀和敬仰。
清明即将到来，按照疫情的防控要求，我们墓园呢现在是关园状态，就是现在就是市民呢不能来现场祭扫，我们呢推出了这个就代祭扫服务，通过这种敬献鲜花、擦拭墓碑，还有行3鞠躬礼，来表达市民对亲人的这种寄托和哀思。